Alright guys, so I know I look the same as I did in last week's video, and that is because I am filming the intro and outro for this video too. The same day I'm filming last week's intro and outro, just because I didn't film one. We were so late for our dinner reservations, and it was call ahead, so it didn't really matter if we were late, but we were a little scared that since we missed our reservation, we wouldn't get a seat, especially with Cinco de Mayo. But we did end up making it, and it wasn't packed, thank God. But yeah, and then we had a reservation at the Sugar Factory, which we had to push back. And we were just so late for everything, and I just didn't get to film an intro and outro. And our night was a little frazzled because my dress ripped, and we had to get a sewing kit from the shop in the casino. So we were just frazzled the whole night. Everything was like rushing, and so I didn't really get to film an intro and outro. But I also didn't really get to take any pictures of my makeup look, and I feel like I didn't really get to show you guys my entire look, which I really wish I would have. But, you know, this also wasn't like a complete tutorial, so I guess it doesn't really matter too much. You did get to see the end results with my pictures and my video of me showing you my whole outfit, but yeah. Let's just get right into this video, though. Okay, I'm filming Get Ready With Me, and I am wearing a bathing suit top, because I didn't bring a robe, so I am wearing something, but it's so hot in this hotel room and my lotion is so damp. But I am getting ready for my boyfriend's birthday tonight, and we are at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Let's see, I'm gonna start out with my Urban Decay primer. I don't think I'm gonna go for anything like too crazy tonight. I think I'm gonna keep it like kind of lightweight, because I've been loving the lightweight look. I think it has complimented me the best lately. I don't know. I wore dark makeup the other night, and my eyes just didn't look pretty. I didn't feel as pretty. It made my eyes really small, and I always wore dark eye makeup regardless of how small everyone said it made my eyes look. Okay. Then I'll let that set. And I think I'm gonna use the Pore Filler by NYX on my nose. Dinner's in like a half an hour, and I'm not even done my makeup. So anyway, yeah, we have to leave because we are going to Margaritaville soon. This vanity, by the way, I'm sorry, I'm like letting my lids set, but this vanity is so pretty. I'm taking my RCMA powder and the lid, and I am gonna powder my eyelid in a second. But the vanity is really pretty. It has like a mirror that pulls out on the side here, and it has a light. Like, look how dark it is when I turn it off. So that's really nice. Don't you hate when you go on vacation and they don't have like a nice vanity though? Like, there's not good lighting, and there's nowhere to do your makeup except for the floor. And it has like an outlet right here for me to put my phone in, or plug my phone in, so I can do like my makeup and charge my phone and use my phone to record in and not be a problem. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood bronzer, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Well, I'm kind of putting it in the crease actually. I might just switch my day to Monday, because lately it's been very hard to upload on Sundays, and I don't know like why I haven't been getting to it, but I just haven't. I might bring it on my entire lid actually, just like a little bit, not to where it's like packed on, but just where it's like it has a little bit of color. I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna like wipe the brush a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it out as much as I can, just to make sure it looks good. I'm gonna go in with this other fluffy brush here from Morphe. I think I'm gonna take this dark brown from the Tarte Flirt palette and taking the color Snuggle. I'm putting that, I think, on my outer corner just a little bit. I'm gonna put on my outer V, and then I'm gonna blend it over. And then I think I'm gonna take, I was gonna do some green, but I don't think I'm gonna do the green now, just because I tested it and I didn't really like it. So let's see. I'm gonna go in with my Naked palette. And I'm gonna go in with the color Sin. I'm just gonna take a regular flat brush like this, And I'm gonna spray it with a bit of Fix Plus. Taking the color Sin, and I'm gonna put that all on the inner half of my eyelid. I think I might do a line of liner, nothing major. I'm gonna take my Tarte clay pot, and I'm taking the brush that actually I think matches it or like came with it or something. They sell them together, I don't know. I'm just lightly lining my lash line. Yeah, I wanted to keep my makeup like a bit natural, but like not too natural. Like I didn't want it to be like just like beach makeup where it's barely there. I wanted it just to be a little light though. Okay, I'll be right back. I brush my hair out with my wet brush. And I brush my hair in the shower, so it brushes so easy when I get out. It brushes even easier because I have this kind of hairbrush. Okay, and then I'm taking Chai Keratin Silk Infusion. I got this at Marshall's. And I take this, and I just put like, I don't put a ton because I have thin hair, but I take it, put it in my hands, and I put it just kind of like, not like the ends, but like from here down. I don't put it in my roots at all. And I take the Hotel Blow Dryer, and how does this work? Ow. Every time I blow dry my hair, and I flip my head over to give myself a little bit of volume. So crazy enough, my hair's done. I don't do anything else to it. This is how I wear my hair just about every day. I mean, I straighten it like if I don't get a shower before going out, but yeah, this is my favorite way because my hair just flows and it just looks so like, I mean, obviously, like, yeah, it looks washed, so it just looks fresh, but I like the way this looks better than anything else on me, and that's how I wore my hair at prom even. So I'm gonna wet my beauty blender, and I'll get back to doing my makeup. Next, I'm gonna do my foundation, and then I am going to finish up my eyes. So let's see, where's my foundation? I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and if you saw my latest video, you would have seen me test it out. I think a little goes a long way, and I just use way too much. I need to get those hair clips that you use when you do your makeup, where it pulls it back or like whatever, and without like leaving a line in your hair. Yeah, like the flat clip. I think I'm gonna be getting the e.l.f. sponge though soon because I heard that one was really good. So yeah, I'm just going over everything. So then I go in with my Shape Tape and I go under my eyes. And then right here. And then my chin. And I do my eyes last, actually. Like I go under my eyes last, or try to. A lot of the times just because it, I don't want it to crease before I can powder it. So I always do that last. I hate the way my makeup blends through here. I feel like it looks like so bad every time. so I'm going in with my RCMA powder, and I'm just gonna like bake for like a quick second. Because I am actually just gonna be going in under my eyes in a few minutes. And one thing, no matter how much I like put powder on my nose, I think that it doesn't stay because of my glasses. Duh, like why did I not think of that? Sometimes I'm not smart. I mean, I'm smart, but like, you know, sometimes you just don't think about things and you feel like an absolute idiot. Powdering my whole face. So while I'm gonna wait for that, for my bake to just set a little bit, I am going to, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. It's the same bronzer I used on my eyes. I'm just taking that on a fluffy brush and just keep on blending it till it looks good, till like it looks blended out, but not too blended. Like you don't want it to just like look muddy, but you also don't want it to be like bam, like in your face. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with my RCMA powder. I'm just kind of gonna like bake under my contour, or like my bronzer, whatever you want to call it, just so the line looks sharper and it doesn't look as muddy. I'm gonna go in with, it's my Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I use, I have two of them, but I don't like to use my new one when I wear foundation because all the foundation just cakes up on the brush anyway, so kind of just go over with this first because this is my older one. And why I do this and then I go back to my brows is because when I use the pencil, it like flattens out my eyebrows unless the gel is dry. So I'm actually gonna take the powder away. I'm gonna take my Becca blush and the color Foxglove, and this can be like really intense, so when you put it on your brush you want to definitely tap off the excess. And then what I like to do is I like to go in with my beauty blender. I learned this from Julia Havens, and you just kind of like, you know, pat that around to make sure that it's not too extreme. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC 221 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the bronzer again under my eyes this time though. So next I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in its color Iced Latte. And I'm gonna take that on just like, again, a flat brush. And I put that in my inner corner. You guys know this if you watched my everyday makeup tutorial. I might take the MAC brush again. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the color Snuggle, again from my Tarte palette here. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner just to warm it up and darken it a bit. Actually, I'm gonna use this to like kind of pack it on the outer corner because it's not like really dark. So I just want to darken it up a tad. Alright, I'm gonna finish up my eyebrows now, and I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup eyebrow powder pencil in the color Taupe or Taupe. And I just, you know, go over my eyebrows. By the way, sorry for the low quality. I like wasn't sure if our room would have a safe in it, and I didn't want to bring my camera because I like got my camera not too long ago. It's fairly new. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and I'm gonna put my Better Than Sex and my by Too Faced and my Bad Gal Bang Benefit on. I'm gonna start out with the Better Than Sex. I actually have the waterproof one, but it's like raining here and I just wanted it to last. However, I do like this one for giving my lashes a little bit of volume. Even though I think the Bad Gal Bang one's supposed to be for volume, it's more of like lengthening. Okay, now I'm going in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara. take my my contour palette, my IT Cosmetics New Sculpted palette, and I'm taking the Radiance highlight and I'm putting that under my eye, or under my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna take my Pro Highlighting Brush, my Sephora collection. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Fire Crystal. Alright, I'm gonna put my contacts in, get dressed, and I will see you in a moment. So I'm spraying myself with my Britney Spears perfume, and I forget the name of it, but I will link it down below. It's my absolute favorite. It comes in like this bottle. It's not the Fantasy. Babe, can you get my shoes down for me? Alright, so I'm wearing these earrings that you guys picked out on Instagram, and I'm wearing my purse that I got from a church yard sale. And then I'm putting on my Material Girl sandals. I decided on these. Oh, babe, can you get my jacket too? It's in the closet.
It's in the bed.
Oh, it's on the bed? Never mind. You'll have to get it for me. It's like right in view too. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in a second.
I'm gonna wear sunglasses.
Want my yellow ones?
No, mine.
Oh, you have your yellow?
No.
Oh, you should have brought them.
I think I sold them. Remember, I left them in my red Jeep, and it got sold.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. So this is my outfit. I know it's a little wrinkled there. We tried to steam it, but the steamer was all messed up. And it's like, has this cute detail in the back. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I got this dress at Windsor. And it's super cute. You guys probably are going to see this on my Instagram before I upload this. But yeah, Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment below and tell me what other types of videos you would like to see. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you back next week. Bye.